How to fix the Snapchat app when it keeps crashing or keeps closing itself. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will simply show you the ways on how you can fix if the Snapchat app constantly keeps crashing on the background. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, the reason why Snapchat app keeps crashing is there could likely be two reasons. The first reason is that the Snapchat app is not compatible with your version of device or your operating system, or your operating system has likely some bugs which is not actually letting the Snapchat app run properly. It could either be one of the two reasons. So in order to fix the prior issue, first of all, we will go ahead and then open up the Play Store. Once we open up our respective app store, search for Snapchat and then update the Snapchat app to the latest version. That would fix any type of bugs and errors which you have within the Snapchat app and verify if that is causing the problem. However, if that is not the solution and if that didn't fix the issue, I would recommend you to actually check the authority of your firmware whether or not you're using the official version of your device's manufacturer's operating system. In order to verify that, we will simply go ahead and launch the settings application on our phone, and as soon as we launch the settings app, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and then simply tap on software update. Go ahead and then check if you have any type of updates available. Even it could be up to 50 megabytes of update or 100 or 200 megabytes. You want to make sure to actually install those updates and update your firmware or your software of your Android or iOS to the latest version, and most likely these would have definitely help. If not, then check if your battery is actually turned on, such as battery savers and low power modes. They are going to turn off and then close the apps automatically in the background when you have low power mode and so on turned on. So verify that isn't the case as well, and hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If any of these helped you, make sure to leave them down in the comment section as to which of these solutions work and which of these didn't work. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.